All right. Okay. So, Mahesh, do you want me to tell you about the things that you need to work upon, or like the kind of feedback if you require that at the end of the session? Would you like me to give you a
Yeah.
feedback?
Yes, yes, you
Right.
can give us brief feedback in the last because I'm working on my fluency
Right.
as well as a little bit of grammar.
Absolutely,
Uh,
absolutely. Wonderful. So, okay, so all right. So, we are in session now. We are starting with a small little conversation, and the topic is travel, right?
yeah.
All right. So,
By
first of
by
all,
the way, I have a
yeah,
question. Don't you
sorry,
look like Manisha Koirala?
do I?
Like,
I take that as a compliment. Thank you so much.
no, am I the first one who telling you this, or maybe many people say?
Mm, no, a lot of people have told me.
Yeah,
So,
that's
yeah.
why when I saw your profile picture, so I at first I was like, oh, Manisha Koirala is doing this thing.
So lucky you,
And
Manisha Koirala is going to give you the sessions. Not bad.
yeah, and I was like, okay, I'm going to take a session with celebrity.
My God, my goodness me. Then I should put some great questions across. Okay.
Yeah,
The all right. So okay, so we'll start with the topic which we all know, travel.
yeah.
So I'll start with a very basic question to know: do you like traveling?
Yeah, I love traveling.
You love traveling, and when was the
Uh,
last time you traveled?
I traveled last time before the second wave happened in
Okay,
the February 2020.
February 2020.
No,
Okay,
21, 20 and 21, the
21.
last.
Yeah, the second wave.
Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
this year Feb. Okay, and where
Yeah.
was this?
I was traveling to Himachal Pradesh, like Shimla,
Oh,
Manali, and all those things.
okay, so just for like pleasure or like business, you had work there
Not
or you
not just for pleasure,
just
just
for
for
pleasure?
uh,
Right. And you were there for like how long?
for 10 days.
Oh, 10 days. 10 days. That's
For,
quite a number of time.
yeah,
Great.
Shimla, Manali, and all the local
Okay.
places.
Local places. Have you ever visited Dalhousie?
Dalhousie, no, we didn't go Dalhousie.
Ah, it's a wonderful
I I
place.
I've heard of the Dalhousie. I think it is a Switzerland of India, is
Yes,
something.
yes, it's Switzerland of India. It is. You're
Yeah.
absolutely right. Great, great. I like the kind of witty remarks that you give. Good, good. Yeah, it is. It is the Switzerland of India. Absolutely.
Yeah.
So, Mesh, I would like to know what other languages do you speak other than like English?
Okay, so other than English, I speak Hindi,
Okay.
and there is a dialect which is Malvi.
Yes,
Is
yes,
my native language, Malvi. I
yes.
speak Malvi also. So I know
Okay,
these three languages, Hindi, English, and
okay.
Malvi.
And are you very fluent in Malvi?
Yeah, I'm fluent. Actually, when I'm at my home, so we usually speak Malvi. And when
Yeah, you
I'm
could Malvi, right?
yeah,
Great, great.
because
All right.
I've been born and brought up in a farmer family in a village. So
Right.
we
But
yeah
that's very interesting. It's great to know a lot of languages. In fact, it's not only fun, but it's very good. I mean, these days people take it as a, plus if you know a lot of languages. So
mm.
yes, why
And
not?
apart from that, I know a little bit of Rajasthani
Wow.
because we are adjoining to the Rajasthan border. Even
Yes.
our district is on the border of Rajasthan.
Right. Right. So quite a linguistic guy you are. Great.
Yeah, so
Good to know.
many of my relatives are from
Mhm.
Rajasthan. So when
Mhm.
we communicate, so I've learned that language also.
Ah,
Mm.
nice. So you must be knowing a lot of, languages and dialects and, the tone of the languages. Yes,
Yeah,
that,
yeah.
yeah, that's
What
interesting.
about you? Do you love travel?
I travel, yes, I used to travel a lot earlier. I haven't been traveling, for quite some time now. And yeah, so I've been to almost all the places where people haven't been in India, a lot of
Okay.
interiors of India. So yes, I've been to a lot of places in India.
So
So
have you ever been to Indore?
I have been to Indore. I've been to
Okay.
Mau. I have been to Indore.
Mm,
I've passed through this place called Chanderi. Uh,
Chanderi.
yes. So yeah,
Because
it's
I'm doing my study there in Indore.
yeah. I somehow I like Indore. I like
Because
people of Indore, and I like the way people are and the food there. So it's good. I like Indore.
And, and yesterday, the Indore win the title of the cleanest city of India in a fifth time in a row.
Wow. Okay.
Uh,
Yes, I was actually listening to this thing that they were actually consecutively they were winning these, sort of recognition that one of the cleanest places. But again, fifth time in a row, it's absolutely commendable. Great. So I think
yeah,
the public of Indore is great,
yeah,
because
yeah.
quite
Without
disciplined.
public, it is not possible. Only government
Yeah,
can do nothing.
that's true. That's true. People need to work together and yeah.
Yep, the mindset of people has been changed in the Indore because I've been
Hmm.
living there. So earlier when I went to Indore first time, so the thing was that we were throwing garbage here and there. But after
Hmm.
that, we changed myself.
Sorry. Hmm. Right. Okay,
Mm.
right. So it's good. People are quite mindful about it. It's okay, Mahesh. I can still see you even if there is a power cut. I am
Yeah.
able to see you. Yes,
Uh,
yes. I can make out that you are looking here and there. You're a bit worried that if I'm visible or not, but you're quite visible to me. So don't worry on that. Okay, Mahesh, have you ever been to any place like out of India, abroad? Have you ever been to
no, no,
abroad?
I have
No,
not been abroad. Yeah,
but would you like to go to abroad someday?
yeah, definitely. I'm planning
And
to go.
which country is it that's topped the list? Like you really want to
The
go?
first I'm going to visit Switzerland because I'm kind of mountain person. So
Yes, I was about to ask you the same thing that are you a beach person or are you a mountain person? So
I'm
okay, so you are a mountain person. Okay, great. And Switzerland is the place that you would like to go. Okay.
mm,
And when I mean, yes, we all know that COVID situation is, it's getting a little balanced and it is better now. People are still going out. I'm not able to hear you, Mahesh.
hello.
Hello, yes, I'm able to hear you now. Right. Yes. Now, oh yeah, better. I can see you.
I open the curtain.
Yes, 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 I can say that. Okay, so which is the place that after COVID is gets better and the people do not have those traveling hazards? Which is the place that within India you'd like to visit? You've been to Himachal, but now next, which is the place that you'd like to visit?
I would like to visit Kashmir and Ladakh.
Ah, Kashmir and Ladakh. Okay. Again, a mountain place for you because you're a mountain person. Okay.
And
Okay.
then I might visit Goa.
Goa, yes. Beaches and rocks and rocky mountains. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Again, yeah. That's a good choice, I would say. Yes. So do you also like to go to any historic places or places which have,
Yeah,
religious
yeah,
pilgrimage places? Do you like to go there? Okay.
yeah. I love to visit historical places like fort and all things.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah.
When I
Rajasthan has
visit,
a lot of forts, I think.
yeah, and Chittorgarh is just 50 kilometers from my place.
Wow. Great.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you also write about your experiences somewhere, like when you travel? Do you write it somewhere? Do you make it a record, kind of your experiences, something that you saw for the first time? Do you like to write it down as well?
No, no, I'm not writing it down.
Okay. You just remember it, like a good memory. You just like to remember those things and then share it, with your family and friends that, I went
But
there and I saw that.
but these days we have mobile, so we are taking selfies and videos everywhere. So I
Ye-
don't think
Yes.
we need to write.
Right. Okay. So, Manish, are you a solo traveler or do you like to travel in group?
No, I would like traveling group with
Okay.
friends
And
and
with friends. Okay. That's what I wanted to know. That when you say group, which particular group do you prefer? Like family or just friends? So, or
yeah,
both?
mostly prefer friends and then family also.
Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. So, okay. I'm just giving you a scenario. Imagine that you've gone on a holiday and there is this, let's say a storm, or let's say it's raining cats and dogs, it's raining heavily and you can't go out and you're stuck in your hotel room. What would you do? Would you crib and sulk and say, oh my god, I'm stuck here, what a waste of time? Or how would you deal with that?
Actually, I'm a rain lovers. So
Okay.
when it's raining outside, so even I will enjoy more.
All right. Okay. Good
I
one.
won't feel stuck even a single time.
Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Tell me, if there are three essential things that you need to carry when whenever you are traveling, what are those three essential things that you would like to, carry with you all the time whenever you travel?
First, definitely it is money.
Yes. Yes. All right.
And then my cell phone,
Okay. Okay.
and then some like shawl and kambal which we can wear. I will check
Okay.
clothes. If we are
Okay.
going to a mountain, maybe the cold places, then I'll be taking my woolens and etc.
Okay. Okay. So
Yeah,
whenever you travel, do you travel with a lot of stuff or do you like to keep it very small, compact whenever
uh,
you travel? Your luggage, is it very compact or you have to carry too many luggages with you, like two
but
suitcases in one?
it's compact. I just travel with the backpack
Backpack. Oh, wonderful. Great. All right.
because
Great.
it's easy to travel. We don't need to take care of our belongings because we spend most of time in the taking care of those things.
Yeah. Right.
So
Okay. Yeah.
I
Sorry.
believe that we should travel with the less belongings.
True, true.
Mm,
We should actually, travel with less of the belongings. It's easier,
easy.
and it's much manageable. True.
Yeah.
Okay, you've been to so many places, I believe, and have you picked up any of the souvenirs, something to remember by? Have you picked something from a particular place? Like if you went to, let's say, Himachal, you picked up a shawl just to remember by. If you went to some other place, you picked up something to remember by. So, have you ever picked up any kind of souvenir for somebody or
Yeah,
even for yourself?
yeah. Recently, when I visited the Himachal, so I bought a key hanger from the Manali, which is of wood,
Okay, yes, yes, there's a lot
and
of woodwork that they do. Yes,
uh, and the
yeah.
Manali is written on
Ah,
that hanger.
okay, so that would keep reminding you that you've been to Manali and you picked
Yeah,
it up from
that,
Manali.
yeah,
Right,
that's why.
right. Okay, and any place that you would like to revisit again? The place you have already been and you would like to revisit?
Definitely, it's going to be Shimla, Manali
My
again
God.
because when I visited, there were no snowfall happening. So I would
Hmm.
like to visit when there is snowfall happening.
Yeah, then you should go around, I think, December to March.
December.
And yes, December to March, around after, I think, almost after, let's say, mid-December, it starts snowing.
Mm.
And yeah, there's a lot of snow around mid-December. So yeah, that's a good time for you to visit and feel the snow. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. And okay, tell me, when your friends are traveling or your relatives are traveling, what is that one tip that you always give them when they travel?
Okay, so I would say be calm and composed. Don't be aggressive when something bad happen. Because
Yes, yes.
it's not a area. It's not an area.
True, true. How so
Like
true? Really?
we follow like Gandhiji's rule ahimsa.
Ah,
Don't,
that's a wonderful thing to follow, Mahesh.
non-violence. Non-violence.
Non-violence. Yes,
Yeah.
right. Great, Mahesh. So, we are almost at the very end of our session now. All right, Mahesh. And I actually did not, get to know about the time because we were so much interactive and talking that I had to literally, tell myself that maybe I'm just going on and on. So
Mm.
it was wonderful session. As long as your feedback is concerned, I would tell you that. I really like the way you are very confident when you express yourself. You do not hesitate, putting your thoughts across, and that's a very, very wonderful thing. I would say that's a plus for you because you're very confident. You do not shy away, from expressing. So you can always use that, as a gainer for yourself. I would say I don't really think that you have so many, issues with speaking. I think sometimes it's just that we all use bit of fillers like and that can only be overcome when you start speaking to somebody on a regular basis. So I think you can, and Mahesh, you have a lot of potential to pick up You have a lot
Okay.
of potential to pick up. So I think if you keep working on this aspect, that you keep speaking to somebody, I think absolutely you can be brilliantly fluent in, speaking English, and with that your electricity has come back. So yeah,
Yeah.
on the bingo. So I think I wasn't that wrong in with my evaluation. So yeah, I think you have got a lot of potential to speak in a better way, and I think you have got that positive mindset to take a feedback as well, which is again a plus.
Yeah.
So wonderful, wonderful, Mahesh. I think you'll do much, much better in the future. And I really wish
Thank
you
you.
all the best. Is there anything that you would like to ask me about the session or anything else that is coming to your mind? Or anything if you
No,
want to ask? Yeah.
uh, what about the fluency? What kind of uh, I should watch
For
for
fluency,
English?
for English, honestly, I would genuinely suggest you to watch these debates, although they sound very, very irritating sometimes, but they are very good because you can quickly, pick a lot of vocabularies. Also, you can, read something, even from, I'll tell you, you can actually pick up some school books, not really novels, just school books, you know any like class 9, 10, 11, 12. Just go through them once. You will definitely gain that kind of confidence that you might come across and say, oh, this is something I already know, but initially you might feel that, but gradually, or let's say eventually, you will feel that it has helped you a lot. So do watch some good English channels, movies of course, because they have a hint of both English, good English language, plus the slangs that people use, the native English. But yes, I would definitely suggest you to go ahead and watch some nice English news channels and any school books that you can go through. So grammar would be really helpful with that. So yeah. Right, Mahesh? It was
Thank
really,
thank.
yeah, thank you for this session, and it was really nice, having interaction with you. Great.
It was nice
Thank you so
talking to you, Manisha ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mahesh. Thank you so much. You have a fun-filled day ahead. Okay?
No,
Bye-bye.
same.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Bye-bye. You too.